I put 5 of the most popular robot vacuums through their paces. On pet hair, hard floors, carpet, kitchen spills, and real home conditions. Some of these genuinely impress me. One of them I would not recommend to anyone who has ever mopped a floor before. And the last one on this list proves that you still do not always need to spend big money to get a clean home. Let's unbox this properly. All the links are numbered in the description. Let's go. Starting at the top of the list with the one that has become the benchmark for value in the flagship robot vacuum category, the eufy RoboVac X10 Pro Omni. Here is what makes this robot genuinely impressive. It packs 8,000 pascals of suction, dual spinning mop pads that rotate at 180 revolutions per minute, and press down with over 2 pounds of pressure for real scrubbing action, LiDAR mapping with AI obstacle avoidance, and a full all-in-one dock that empties the dustbin, washes the mop pads, dries the mop pads, and refills the water tank. Automatically. You do not touch it. You fill the water tank, replace the dust bag every couple of months, and that is it. The mop pads automatically lift 12 millimeters when the robot detects carpet, so they never drag a wet pad across your rugs. Edge-hugging mode gets the robot right along walls and skirting boards. The eufy Clean app is solid. You can name rooms, draw no-go zones, and schedule cleaning by area. The LiDAR mapping was accurate in testing, and the obstacle avoidance handled furniture and everyday objects reliably. On carpets, it handled pet hair consistently well. On hard floors, the mopping results were noticeably better than static pad competitors. At around $600 on sale, which is where you will regularly find it, this robot is offering features that competing brands charge over $1,000 to match. That value gap is real, and it is why the X10 Pro Omni consistently tops best value lists from Vacuum Wars, Tech Radar, and independent reviewers. That is link 1 in the description. Tap it right now. If you want the most honest unboxing and product reviews every single day, subscribe to Unbox Daily. We drop new content every day. At number 2, the one built specifically for pet owners who have one very specific and very understandable fear. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus. iRobot calls it POOP, the Pet Owner Official Promise. If the Roomba J7 Plus runs over pet waste and makes a mess, iRobot will replace the robot free of charge. That promise backed by a real precision vision navigation system that uses a front-facing camera to identify and avoid dozens of common household objects: cords, socks, shoes, pet toys, pet bowls, clothing, backpacks, and yes, pet waste, in real time. In testing it successfully navigated around every obstacle we placed without contact. The dual rubber roller brush roll resists hair tangling significantly better than bristle brush systems. The clean base auto-empty dock is compact enough to slide under tables and holds up to 60 days of debris before you need to swap the bag. Robot OS learns your schedule and suggests personalized cleaning times based on your habits and the season. The mapping is accurate, and the app is genuinely one of the most polished in the category. The honest limitations: suction power is below average compared to competitors at this price, mopping is not available on the vacuum-only J7 Plus, and the clean base empties loudly. But for a home with pets and unpredictable floors, no robot vacuum gives you the peace of mind the J7 Plus does. That obstacle avoidance is genuinely best in class. That is link 2 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily. Every single day we find another product worth talking about. At number 3, the trusted name American Vacuuming that quietly built one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos available, the Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. Shark has been obsessing over how to actually clean homes for years, and the Matrix Plus shows that expertise. The sonic mopping system scrubs your hard floors 100 times per minute. That is a real scrubbing oscillation, not a static wet pad being dragged across the floor. In real-world testing, it removes surface dirt and stuck-on messes noticeably better than passive pad competitors. The Matrix Clean navigation moves in a precision grid pattern, taking multiple overlapping passes for thorough coverage rather than a single run-through. Clean Edge fires bursts of air into corners and edges to dislodge debris before vacuuming it up. A clever solution to one of robot vacuuming's most persistent weaknesses. The HEPA bagless self-empty base captures 99.97% of dust, pollen, and allergens, and holds 60 days of debris. LiDAR navigation with 360-degree vision maps your home accurately and avoids objects day or night. The Shark Clean app handles scheduling, no-go zones, and custom area cleaning cleanly and intuitively. The self-cleaning brush roll handles pet hair without significant tangling, for a household that vacuums and mops regularly across carpets and hard floors. The Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1 is one of the most capable all-around robot cleaners at this price. That is link 3 in the description. Tap it now. New reviews every day on Unbox Daily. Subscribe and never miss a drop. At number 4, the one that will make you question why you ever paid more, the Roborock Q5 Pro Plus. Let me be direct about this one. As a vacuum, it is outstanding. As a mop, it is disappointing. Know that going in, and the Q5 Pro Plus is genuinely excellent value. The dual roller, dual rubber brush system picks up pet hair at a rate that testing puts at 99% on both hardwood and carpet. It is one of the best pet hair systems in the budget robot vacuum space. PreciSense LiDAR navigation creates accurate multi-floor maps, works in complete darkness, and supports no-go zones and room-specific scheduling through the Roborock app, which holds a 4.8-star rating across over 500,000 iOS reviews, one of the highest in any product category on the App Store. The auto-empty dock holds 7 weeks of debris before you swap the bag. Where it falls short is mopping. The Q5 Pro Plus uses a static drag pad attached to the underside. No vibration, no scrubbing, no auto-cleaning. It gets floors lightly damp, which is better than nothing for daily maintenance, but it is not a replacement for actual mopping. The obstacle avoidance is also basic. It bumps rather than detects, so a tidy floor before each run is recommended. For a home focused primarily on vacuuming, especially pet hair, with occasional light mop maintenance on hard floors, the Q5 Pro Plus is one of the best pound-for-pound robot vacuums available. That is link 4 in the description. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily, honest reviews every single day. And wrapping up the list at number 5, the one that answers the question of how good a robot vacuum can be without any of the smart features. The eufy RoboVac X10 Max. No LiDAR, no app, no mapping, no camera. Just a 2.85-inch slim body. 2,000 pascals of suction with Boost IQ technology that automatically increases power when transitioning to carpet. Dual side brushes, drop sensors, anti-collision infrared sensors, a 600 milliliter dustbin, and up to 100 minutes of cleaning time on a full charge. It bounces, moves in one direction, hits something, turns, goes in another direction. Old school navigation that reviewers keep calling clumsy. And yet, on hard floors, this budget robot consistently cleans better than some models costing 4 times as much. It is exceptionally quiet, around 60 decibels on hardwood, comparable to a microwave. The 2.85-inch height gets it under furniture that smarter robots cannot reach. It is controlled via a remote control included in the box, not a smartphone. Setup is 30 seconds, no Wi-Fi required. For a small apartment, a single room, a beginner who just wants to try a robot vacuum without spending much money, or anyone who finds smart home apps more frustrating than helpful. The eufy RoboVac X10 Max is the most accessible, no-fuss entry into robotic vacuuming available. At well under $200, it is the definition of low risk. That is link 5 in the description, the last link. Tap it now. Subscribe to Unbox Daily right now. We unbox something new every single day and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Number 1. eufy RoboVac X10 Pro Omni. Best overall value flagship, dual spinning mops, auto wash and dry dock, LiDAR, AI obstacle avoidance, and 8,000 pascals of suction at around $600. Number 2. iRobot Roomba G7 Plus. Best for pet owners. Precision vision, obstacle avoidance, pet waste guarantee, dual rubber rollers, and 60 days of hands-free dirt disposal. Number 3. Shark Matrix Plus 2-in-1. Best vacuum and mop combo, sonic mopping at 100 oscillations per minute. Matrix clean grid navigation, clean edge corner cleaning, and HEPA filtration. Number 4. Roborock Q5 Pro Plus. Best budget vacuum for pet hair. 99% pet hair pickup. 7-week auto empty dock. LiDAR navigation and the best robot vacuum app in the market. Number 5. eufy RoboVac X10 Max. Best entry-level pick, no app needed, outstanding hard floor cleaning, whisper quiet, and fits under furniture other robots cannot reach. All 5 links are in the description, numbered in exactly this order. Drop a comment below. Which one are you going with? I read every single one. I will catch you in the next one.